Luxembourg, boys and girls. It's really nice fucking terrain here. Got Mr. B in front of me, Mr. R, or Mr. M behind me. So here we are, touring Luxembourg on the bike, having a great time.
Het Cimetière de la Haute Sour. Yeah.
Now look at the scenery, eh? Mr. B's hand's falling asleep, so it's stopped and he has to get some circulation going in it again. Our first morning here at the biker camping in High Chapparel in Luxembourg.
Morning, bro. Girls and whatever the fuck you are. I don't care.
These days we just don't know.
Just
oh yeah.
Breakfast of champions.
Breakfast of champions, definitely. Wait for the camera, boys. We decided to go to Vianden here in Luxembourg. You take the cable chairs, or whatever you call them, I don't remember, the lifts, all the way up, go grab a beer, and then come back down. Funny part is, here in the back, Mr. M and Mr. B are sitting there, but Mr. M is shit scared of heights. And this place is great.
Hi there, folks. We're in the beautiful city of Vianden, Luxembourg. We are taking a ski lift to the castle of Vianden. Mr. M, sitting next to me, is very relaxed. He is very much enjoying the ride. He's shitting bricks at this moment because he's scared of heights. I'm enjoying the ride. Just look at the relaxation of this man's body. Mr. R is sitting in front of us.
Well, don't worry, it's not the fault
Miss-
of Bill's yet, it's the sudden stop.
Yeah, it's not the speed, it's just the stop. So how are you enjoying it, brother?
Well, my hands are getting a little bit sweaty and my feelings are
You can
a
see
little
the man.
panic mode, but
He's doing
fine.
good.
Yeah, relax, yeah.
He's shitting bricks at this moment. Just watch me.
Ah, come on!
I can just fuck with him anytime.
I can't move my hands.
So we made it up. Everybody's in one piece. The only one that had to change his underwear was Mr. M. Because he was scared shitless. And look what we got.
Not one, not two, but three.
Serious beers.
That's what we're talking about. Having a real good time. Is it working?
Yup, no corona in this buff.
Oh, he's drinking with alcohol. So have a drink. Cheers, brother. Oh, you're empty.
Sorry. Cheers, I'm not thirsty, so you will.
Yeah, you're drinking too fast.
We're not alcoholics.
No.
We're drunks. Alcoholics go to meetings. Drunks go to parties.
There you go.
So we're going down.
Yes, I'm going down.
And Mr. M is very relaxed.
I'm not. Oh!
That's our view. Mr. R is still in front of us. That's a test.
1, 2, 3, 4. Look at my head, it's not turning very quickly because I have this intense moment feeling inside of my bones. There's electrical going all over.
You just shitting bricks, bro. Oh, that's the view of the castle. That's the city of Vianden. There's Mr. M shitting his pants.
Okay. It's okay. Brick.
You like it this way? Swing this thing a little bit.
I'm swinging. I'm in labor.
Again, I'm having a laugh at his expense.
I'm relaxed. No, I'm not relaxed.
Really, bro?
Yeah.
Mr. R is enjoying himself.
I'm okay.
You don't look like okay.
This is Fubar. Fubar, you know, fucked up beyond all recognition.
That's you.
Yeah, that's me right now. Oh, really? Oh.
At least I'm having fun.
People are small. Don't fucking do it.
I'm gonna jump around a little bit in this thing. I'm trying to make it interesting for him.